Are you a lazy person who want to earn money and turn your creativity into the cash? You came to the right place. Welcome to the power of ChatGPT, your gateway to the free online earnings. In this video, I'm going to teach you the 4 fantastic methods you can earn money as a translator, as a poet, as a storyteller, and then also brand slogans and names maker, and I will help you to monetize your skills with the incredible power of ChatGPT. In the end of this video, I will provide you in the description the alternatives websites for each side hustle. So let's dive in. Number 1. Make money as a translator.
Let's start our first idea, making money with ChatGPT and translation. So let's explore this website that offers income for translators. Its name is Django. So we type django.com/translators. And here we are. Just few seconds. Some other seconds, it's loading. And this is the website. So as you see, here it offering opportunity for translators to make money through translation for articles, essays, and many other things. Let's make a tour in this website. So as you see, it offers a flexible schedule. So you work when you want. And you pick and choose the project you like. So this is good. Let's now talk about earnings. Earnings here depends on the language you choose to make the translation. For example, if we choose Arabic is about $200 per month, and I know nothing about Arabic. For example, another language, Chinese, it's more than $500 per month. And let's try another one, for example. French, it's even more, it's $561 per month. All these translation will be done by ChatGPT, so don't worry. And now the yummy and easy part of the thing. All the translations. Even if you have never ever made a translation in your life, it's ChatGPT that will make you these translations. And now let's go to ChatGPT and give it a try. So we will say here, translate to French, for example. And we'll pick some paragraph here about animals in Africa. So let's paste it. And boom. He's translating all the paragraph. Just amazing what he's doing. It's really mind-blowing. Now let's translate into another language. Let's try Chinese. And boom, I know nothing about Chinese. And you can also do it for free, as you can see.
Number 2. Make money as a poet.
We will talk about selling poetry online. We will have a look at this website. Its name is The Sun Magazine, and in this website you can sell your poems. Even if you have never ever write a poem, it's ChatGPT, which will do it for you. So as you can see here, you have submissions for many things, including poetry. Let's have a look. How much you can earn. So this is for personal essays. This is for fiction, and this is for poetry. So for poetry, you can earn $150 and up for your poems. So now let's go to ChatGPT and try to write some poems. So tell him to write for us. Write us a poem. For example, about online seller in a comedic way, and press enter. And here we are. There once was online seller whose listings were quite a thriller.
Let's talk about number 3, which is making money as storyteller.
Here we are in the website where you can submit your stories. It's called Chicken Soup for the Soul. As you can see, you can make your story by here. First of all, you have to fill all this information, like your name, your email address, your city, your country, and everything. And then here, you will type some information about the story, the story title, the comments, and here finally, you will paste your story. Your story that ChatGPT will give for you. So let's now see the second website. It's called Reader's Digest. So we type here Reader's Digest. Submissions. This website makes contests of short stories. Composite of 100 words or less. As you can see here, you will here type and paste your story. As usual, the personal information, the name, the last name, the address, the city, and everything. And then the email, and of course the phone. And finally, when you complete this all steps, you will submit your story by here. And if you win the contest, you will earn lots of bucks. Now, the easy and the funny part of the story. ChatGPT will write us any story we want. So we will tell him, write us a story. About a stressed doctor. In the emergency. Service. Just as an example. Boom, here we are. It's writing for us. It's writing, and we only have to do the copy and paste.
Let's talk our last gem. Number 4. Make money by generating brand names and slogans.
Let's begin with generating and selling brand names. This website is called Naming Force. It offers you income through selling names. In fact, participate in a contest, and the winner will be paid. So this is how it works. The namers submit the names. The platform rank the names. And the company owner will choose the winner. And the platform will pay the winner. Let's have a tour in the website. It's more than 7,000 business names generated in this platform. These are the recently named businesses, such as Indie Girl, Slate Lane, I Need That. These are the names generated and sold in this platform. So as is shown here, naming contest prices for the winners. Between $100 and $500 just for naming a brand. And this can be simply done with ChatGPT. We will tell him to give us 5 brand names for a company that sells natural cosmetics. And here we are. He's generating us 5 names: Earthly Beauty, Pure Naturals, Green Glamour, Naturals Bliss, and Organic Allure. He can of course give us more names. And we will choose the one we like the most. See, it's providing us more and more. Good names we can choose from them. And go in a contest in naming force. We move now to the second part of the lesson, generating and selling slogans. So this is the website where we will sell our slogans. Its name is Slogan Seller. So let's have a tour in this website. So what they say here. If you can type a few words, you have what it takes to earn your current passive income in your spare time right from the comfort of your home. So this is the website. This is the owner. I'm about to show you how I went from drawing in student debt to making over $83,000 a year just by typing simple words and phrases on my computer. So this is the website where you can sell your slogans. It's true, the website charge you a one-time membership fee to join them, but you will get the money back in less than 1 word of your time. Let's now go to ChatGPT. We tell him to give us 10 slogans for a date website. We press enter, and here we are.
Thanks for joining us on this journey with ChatGPT. Subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more online earning methods.